What if I told you your anxiety isn't just emotional, but nutritional? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how foods that you eat can actually calm your nervous system or trigger it, and the answer may surprise you. Welcome back to Hill Med Stress Management, where science meets self-care. I'm Dr. Jerron C. Hill, MD, board-certified anesthesiologist. Today, we're talking about how foods that we eat every day can reduce stress or actually trigger more stress in our bodies. Most people think that stress is only caused by our environment, situations, people, and work. But most don't realize that our nervous system listens to what we eat, and that can either keep our minds calm or actually keep it overwhelmed. Stress and nutrition are connected by our gut-brain axis, and that is a communication between the digestive system and the brain. Eating whole, natural foods like vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, and healthy fats helps our body to produce chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. And these chemicals help our brain to be calm, focused, and emotionally balanced. The expression that you are what you eat is actually based on biochemistry, and it's true. Now, eating foods that are rich in artificial ingredients or processed foods or sugary foods, they cause an increase in inflammation in our bodies. They also raise cortisol levels, and they disrupt the gut and thereby disrupt the mind. Next, I want to talk about foods that actually increase stress in our bodies. Again, processed foods, fast foods, sugary snacks, refined sugars, artificial sweeteners, and even excess caffeine. All of these can cause quick, sharp spikes in blood glucose and also result in sharp crashes. When the body senses this, the brain will create stress hormones. A sudden sense of irritability, anxiety, shakiness, and feeling overwhelmed may not be due to your emotions, but is often rooted in your nutrition. The good news is there are foods that help to decrease stress in our bodies, to decrease inflammation, help our bodies to relax, and support our brain. Leafy green vegetables help with our brain chemistry. Berries are rich in antioxidants. Avocado and nuts are rich in omega-3s and healthy fats and support our mood. Green tea gives us a sense of calm because most of them contain L-theanine. Wild salmon, chia seeds, and nuts all have omega-3s and help to decrease inflammation in our bodies. Now, eating these foods on a consistent basis, not a permanent basis, but incorporating them into your diet, it helps your brain to operate with calm, clarity, and emotional balance. Now, in just a few weeks from now, and in a few days, you'll be able to go to HillMedStressManagement.com and order nutritional supplements as well as CBD products that will support your endocannabinoid system. You recall over these past several weeks, I've talked about stress management, mindfulness. Today, I've talked about nutrition. And next week, I'll talk about exercise and how exercise helps to decrease stress. These 5 pillars of health, as I have called them, anyone can use these principles to help manage stress in their lives. And also by incorporating these 5 pillars of health, I've seen where patients who get intravenous ketamine, they don't necessarily have infusions every 2 weeks or 3 to 4 months. Most of my patients I don't see for 6 months or greater, even years. And it's because of the wellness regimen that I've incorporated into their aftercare program once they've completed their intravenous ketamine infusions. Subscribe for more from Hill Med Stress Management. Like the video, share it with someone you love, a friend or family member, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.